Hi guys, it's Kondipress here again. Welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to buy our domain and hosting and host our website online so anybody can access it anywhere in the world. So domain is just like an address to your website. Like facebook.com is a domain. Like my website now, kondipress.com is a domain. We are going to buy a new domain. And then a hosting is just like a house that we host our website. Just like a storage space that we put our website that we can access it. So from our website, kondipress.com, this is my website. And then I have some recommended hosting provider that I've been using since all this while. I've been using them more than 6 years now, and I trust them. I will encourage you to choose any of it that you want to use. So my first recommendation is Namecheap. If it's an American hosting company, and you can check it out. If you want to pay something in dollar, it's best advice to use that. They have their share hosting at the rate of $2 per month. So if you are paying for the first time, you are paying just $25.88, which is converted to Nigerian money. I don't know, you can just do the calculation based on the naira dollar rates at that time. But for now, you have access to 20 gig SSD, and you can connect up to 30 domain mailbox, and you have 3 websites to use. I usually use this for small websites. At the same time, you can go for this higher one that you pay $3.18 per month. For 1 year, you just pay $3.78. So if you have if you want to use a hosting payment that based on dollar, we advise you just go for this one. So like I have some other one that I use, which this is the one that we use for now. I use Host, which is Nigeria based hosting, and they are very reliable. I've been using them for a while now. There is QServer. I use them. Most of my website is there too. So on Host, they have their share hosting plan, which is annual. If you pay for annual, they are giving us 8,000 naira for 1 year, 6 gig workspace, 30 gig bandwidth, 10 subdomain and 2 add-on domain. This add-on domain means that you can connect a 2 domain to your hosting. Like you can have another domain. They will give you free .ng, and then they will give you free SSL certificate, which is for the security for the security aspect of your website. And you have unlimited access to email and unlimited database. So I will check out QServer too. QServer, they have their hosting services. Yeah, QServer, they have their starter package, which goes for 9,000 naira per year, and they are giving you 2 gig, 8 gig bandwidth, free .com.ng SSL certificate, and you can choose the order and order it. But for this lecture, I will go for Host, because it's just I want to host a website and I want to pay in naira, and so I will just choose this plan, 6 gig. If you are buying hosting, you must connect it to a domain. So I want to buy a domain. This domain is for my brother, and he wants to be using it for his business. So jbplumbing.com. I want to buy a for his plumbing services. I will check the domain, maybe it's available. So hola, the domain is available. I will continue. It costs 4,500 naira, and the hosting cost 8,000 naira, which I will click continue. I have my domain jbplumbing.com, and this ID protection, you can add that. It's an additional features. I don't need that. I will just click on continue. So my domain and the hosting, everything together cost me 12,500 naira, and I will click checkout. So you can pay with either your credit card, or you pay through bank, any method that you want to pay. So you have to fill all your information. Yeah, scroll down. When I click checkout, it tells me that you did not enter all the information. So what I will do is that I will enter all my information, like my name, about you guys from friend, Facebook group. You can choose your entrepreneur. You accept your personal data. This is the security question. You can choose anyone. the primary school that you attend. I will choose this, and I will write my primary school name. Yeah, you can then choose your payment method. You can either pay with Paystack, Flutterwave, or pay with Clump. You can even pay installmental. So I will just choose the Paystack option. You have to agree to their term and condition. I click that. I click on checkout. Now I'll fill out my information. I think I should be able to check out. Okay, I've now entered my postcode. All this you have to enter everything. Postcode. Just Google your postcode. Write your location. Say postcode for my location. The location that you want. You can say example. You can say postcode for Abuja. Accept the term and condition again. Make sure you fill all the necessary feed. So I check out. So it load an invoice out. Yeah, and it tell you to go and verify your email. So just log into your email that you put and click on verification. I will just go to my email. Yeah, this is a message by Hugo Host. So just verify it. Click on verify your email. Easy. Yeah, my email has been verified. So I will just move back to my invoice, and I click on pay now. So you can either print this invoice out, download it, and go to bank, go and make their payment to their accounts, their account detail they provide, or you can pay online. For this one, I want to pay online, so I will just click pay now, which I will now enter my credit card detail. You can either pay through bank or using transfer, USSD. What I will do is that I will use my credit card detail. I will just fill my credit card information and your CVV. CVV is a 3 number at the back of your ATM. So just fill it and click on pay. There will be a need for you to enter your 4-digit PIN. They will send you an OTP, which is one-time password. Just check the phone number that is connected to your account, and I have my OTP here already. I fill it. So authorize the payment. Hola, successful. I've successfully paid for the hosting and the domain, which is 12,500 naira, and it will automatically reload to my hosting provider, so I can continue development. So you should receive this order place confirm. That is, I've confirmed my order now, so I'm already logged in. I can go on, click on my services, which is the service that I bought already. Yeah, I have service Linus, 6 gig, and Jebe Plumbing, which is my domain. Sometimes it might take like 30-40 minutes before it propagates. Don't worry, everything will work well. So I have my domain and my hosting already. So we just wait for a while for our status to be active, and we start development. Hello guys, I will just reload my hosting now in the hosting provider account. Hola, our status is active now. That means our account is active now. We can click on it. That is under service. You see, this is our service that we have. We can open it. Yeah, status active. Now we have our 6 gig space and 36 gig bandwidth. Yes, our account is active now. So while you are waiting for the active account, I just wait like 1 hour and everything is active. Sometimes it might work automatically, like immediately, while sometimes it might take something like an hour or 2 hours. The truth is that the Hugo host, they have a good customer service. If you have any issue, you can contact their customer service on the support. They even have a WhatsApp number that you can call. I will put the WhatsApp number in the description. And if you go to their main site,